State officials and hospital personnel across the country are looking ahead at what they might do if patients start to exceed capacity. Channel 9's Alexa Lorenzo spoke to staff at a local business that manufactures an important piece in that puzzle.
This is our forward triage system, and what this allows us to do is basically create an intensive care environment in any environment.
It's wanted now more than ever.
It's hectic. We're getting calls. We do a lot of work with the Army Corps of Engineers and the Department of Defense and the Center for Disease Control.
Medical staff across the world is trying to figure out where to treat their COVID-19 patients. Paladin Healthcare in Oakland, Florida offers the solution.
It's a rail and it's an adapter. I mean, that's the core to everything we do. But it's a building block that we can use to develop systems that right now are helping the coronavirus surge populations.
They manufacture this state-of-the-art system.
We've refined this, especially with the oxygen delivery system, just in time for this event.
It allows nurses and doctors to move things around and treat critical patients wherever they need. Gymnasium, auditoriums, parking lots, anywhere.
We get pretty much emails and calls every single day on how can you help us fix this problem. We're kind of figuring it's going to come.
They also can completely upgrade a regular patient room.
What they need now is critical care rooms. There's a very big shortage of ICUs around.
They add gases and ventilator access, and within minutes,
the hospital can literally take this and move into a critical care environment.
This will allow staff to separate patients who all need to be in the intensive care unit of the hospital.
Remember, hospitals have heart attacks and stroke patients, and they're still in the ICU. Now we have infectious patients, and do we want to mix that population, or do we want to try to keep them in a separate wing?
Right now, Paladin Healthcare is working with hospitals everywhere from Central Florida all the way to New England.
The need for this as rapidly as we've seen just blows me away, and I've been doing this for 40 years.
And they will continue.
We're ramping up our manufacturing to meet the need.
To provide everything they can to those on the front lines treating patients with COVID-19. Alexa Lorenzo, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.